Toll. Sind verschlafen? Ja. Wow.
Der hat das Rad
Hab das dann ja auch.
Ja,
Aber ganz gut, das musst du eigentlich nicht machen, ne? Oh. Ja, das Ding ja echt was geboten, das ist doch der Hammer. War schon gut, dass wir halb hier waren.
Voilà, légèrement à droite, c'est comme dans une grotte. Vous venez pas là.
tout le monde a dit. Alors on a vu les Big Five. Hein.
How wrong can you be?
I have to see it again. Not everybody
Die Leute haben gerade gesagt, Abfahrt.
People say the quality of camera is decent. I Google came to Formula One, and I thought England, no, came to Park. It just felt exactly the same. Oh yeah, you guys saw it. You saw the sign. Because I can't not talk to you. I couldn't.
We'll enter the bus at 3.
Yeah, I'm exactly. I'm the guy that gets into to the left and faces the wrong way. And speak to the people, and everyone looks you like, are you crazy?
What's wrong with you?
Okay.
You go up north. You go up the north.
So then we got them. I told you it's gonna go.
What's a little bit more space?
Ahí está raro que le hicieron arriba.
But I still think, yeah, I think still he's going to move.
Yeah, it will.
He's still not in the shape though.
See it standing there.
Yes, yes. Knew we'd stand here for the
There, stretching. Yes, one more. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that is awesome. We stayed for the right time.
Wow.
Now, of course, I have my camera away. Do you think there's something wrong with it?
Va a cambiar de emplazamiento.
That's where he started.
Is it? That's where you started. So